Iniisip lang namin quarterfinals, di ba? Tapos yung bigla ngayon, nasa semis na kami. Ngayon talaga, paghahanda na namin talaga yung finals. Kaya sa mga fans talaga, expect nyo na magiging iba yung laro ng Year 21 ngayon. Talagang madiin para pang finals talaga.
Madiin,
Madiin, the main man with the fighting words,
Yeah.
warning everybody else and telling the fans, oh, antayin nyo lang. Diba? Keep your expectations high. And well, he's doing his work in this ball game, although his team trails by 4 points. Pero they'd be trailing by much more, diba? If not for Gary David.
17 big points na no? Ito si Gary David.
Ito mo naman yung 3-point field goals natin. Si Gary David, of course, hitting 3 3-point field goals. They have hit 9 of 18 from the 3-point area.
50% yun.
50%.
3 of 7, 43%.
Ito si Gary David. Yun na, one of his 3 3-pointers ito to beat the shot clock. Atin sa inyo ng bagong TM Diskarte SIM, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka. At nasa linya pa siya for more points under his name on the stat box.
2 for 2 for Gary D. 19 points in the ball game.
At dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Pure Foods PJ Giants as we're past the halfway mark ng ating third quarter. Lanete. James Yap. Ito, medyo quiet na to sa third quarter.
Eh, malaki na yung tinao sa kanya eh.
Ralimi. Almost got it. PJ Simon tries to save it. Arboleda snatches it away once again. The pass anticipated by Lanete. 2-on-1. Mahabol si Gary David. Lanete's looper, wala yan.
Ay, nawala po sa kanila yung bola eh, no?
Simon lost it. Ito, 3-point field goal of this quarter. Alo, nakatatlo ng Air 21. Diba? Which helped them come back from a double-digit deficit. Yan, yung mga players on the floor with their respective points. Winnie Arboleda, the pass to Arwin Santos.
Panabla ba?
Jumper niya, masyadong malakas. Simon wants to challenge Arboleda, the spin, the lefty layup. What a move.
Weathering the storm. Ika nga, 8 points in the ball game for Peter Jun Simon. Pinawi ba?
Pinawi.
Agad.
Pinawi ni Arboleda. Spin move ka sa akin. Ako, drive ang kita.
Hindi yan.
Yan ang nangyari. Winnie Arboleda, one of the most fearless
12 na.
point guards in this league. James Yap to Ralimi. Ralimi's turn to try to operate. Hook shot. Wala yan. Kirby Raimundo, other side of the lane. Wala rin yan. Stephen Thomas. Ayun naman! What a play. And Stephen Thomas, you know, only smiled. Kasi, wow, nagawa na siya.
Nanakawan na. Nag-reverse layup pa. Pero Gary David, 21 points na din sa ating laro.
Ay, naka-play din para sa Air 21 yun. Hindi pa nakaset up ang depensa. Ayun, nakashoot na agad si Gary David. 4 minutes left here in the third quarter. 74-72.
No?
Ganda nga eh. Ang ganda ng pace natin dito sa game na to. James Yap losing it momentarily, pero ito si Kirby Raimundo nakapulot. 3-second shot clock. Does he know it? Spins to the baseline. Supalpal, dalawang tao. Stephen Thomas saves it. Ranidel De Ocampo magdadala ng bola. Ranidel hands it off to Arboleda to the basket. But Ranidel ties it all up at 74 with 3:32 remaining. Ano nangyari sa layup ni Winnie Arboleda? Masyadong malakas.
Oo. Nawala ng assist si Ranidel. Pero meron naman siyang offensive rebound.
At 2 points.
2 points pa.
Diba?
Tabla na tayo.
Yun, 74 all. So coming all the way back from a 10-point deficit to begin this third quarter. We're all tied up.
Biggest lead by Pure Foods was 14 points, 43-29.
Skyhook, wala. Second attempt, wala. Pero may foul